Okay, let's start from move header away from home, so I can count the area around this one, then copy just this grid, paste here and name as number. Then if this one is not blank, then give me -1 for bomb, else then count all the bomb around this area. Next is address, so simply A to J and 1 to 10. Next is free area that connect to 0, so FR. If this one equal to 1, then give me nothing, else then give me top right, bottom right, and then if not, give me the address. Then next is the 8, so I name this one as FF. So if the area is blank, then give me the concat of area around this one, else give me blank. Okay. Then next is the bomb address, so number less than 0, give me address. Okay. Then this one is simple sum if of number by address by this cell. Next, count the bomb around, so I use this grid to help me ship the address. So count if of sum of count if on target area by this address, but I have to shift left, right, and then number up and down. Okay, and copy down the here. Next, this is just use the minimum of the match on bomb on this cell, and minimum of 1. And this is the, I need to simulate some cells, so use XLOOKUP on this to return me bomb. Then count if this cell on address, so this is give me the bomb, and then count the bomb. So if this is 0, give me 0, if not, then give me the count sum of bomb. Oh wait, to be copy 10 by 10 to enter, then sum of everything here. Then I use data table, so I need to create this one. Change this cell, then okay. Next is the hardest one, so start from this one, XLOOKUP to return me the turn. Next is sum if number of bomb on that address, so -1 is the bomb. Then this is free area, so use this. If this is equal to address, then give me free area, else blank. Then need to concat everything. Then next one is the edge area, so FF to FR. Then this is quite complicated, so start from area before this, then one plus minus sign. So sign, this sign is return me free move. So count if free move. Okay, then just copy to the right and X lookup on -1, which is bomb in this, and return me the turn here. Then use data table by changing 71 here and copy, paste the answer. Good. Stop time. Okay, one click from stop timer, but there are some wrong answer which I think they give the wrong answer. So let's see here. On the answer sheet, this one 91 on 34 here. They give answer as 90, but let's see the address here. 90 is H10. The answer is H3. So there is no bomb on H10 in 90, but there is a bomb in H3 which is 91. So I think this is the answer. Okay, so that's it for today. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.